Ernest Everett Just was born in Charleston, South Carolina on August 14, 1883. His parents' names are Charles Frazier and Mary Matthews Just. At the age of 4 years old, his father died in 1887. Mary Just moved her family to James Island, where she worked in phosphate mines to provide for her family. Ernest Everett Just attended the High School of the Colored Normal Industrial, Agricultural, and Mechanical College. Just believed attending college he would receive higher education. He enrolled at Kimball Union Academy in New Hampshire, even though he was the only black student. The interest Just had for biology was discovered within his university years. It was discovered after reading a paper on fertilization and egg development. After graduation, Just attended Dartmouth College in 1903. He felt socially isolated and alone at Dartmouth. He graduated in 1907, magna cum laude. His first job out of college was as an instructor at Howard University, traditionally all-black university. He helped to found Omega Psi Phi fraternity in 1911. Omega Psi Phi was the first black Greek letter organization founded at a historically black university. In 1909, Just later worked at the Marine Biological Laboratory in Woods Hole, Massachusetts. After completing his doctorate, he published 50 scientific papers and 2 books. One of the books were named Basic Methods for Experiments on Eggs of Marine Mammals. Just moved to Europe because he couldn't find work after his doctorate.
From 1920 to 1931, he was a Julius Rosenwald Fellow in Biology of the National Research Council, a position that provided him the chance to work in Europe when racial discrimination hindered his opportunities in the United States. During this time, Just penned many research papers, including the 1924 publication General Cytology, which he co-authored with respected scientists from Princeton University, the University of Chicago, the National Academy of Sciences, and the Marine Biological Laboratory. He furthered his education by obtaining a Doctor of Philosophy degree from the University of Chicago, where he studied experimental embryology and graduated magna cum laude. Ernest Everett Just served as editor of 3 scholarly periodicals, and in 1915 won the NAACP's first Spingarn Medal for outstanding achievement by a black American. Just pioneered many areas on the physiology of development, including fertilization, experimental parthenogenesis, hydration, cell division, dehydration in living cells, and ultraviolet carcinogenic radiation effects on cells. Ernest Everett Just died of pancreatic cancer in Washington, D.C. on October 27, 1941. He is currently buried at the Lincoln Memorial Cemetery in Suitland, Maryland.